Hi everyone, I am back. I have managed to sort out a few items that I'm destashing, so not as many as I wanted to, but never mind. I've got some I have some items. Sorry, I'm just trying to pull my thing up. Some items that I have sorted out, not as many as I wanted to, but never mind. I'll be sorting out more in the future. So, as you can see, my desk is a flipping mess. There we go. Right, I need a pen. Where's my pen gone? And I'm going to wait for a few of you to arrive before I show you these items that I've sorted out. Let's put those there. Let's just share on the group because you're not here yet. Share to group. Where am I? There we go. Right, okay. Right, okie dokie. So I have a few items. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots for sale. I've tried to put them into 5 lots to make life easier for everybody. Let me just put those there. And let's write down on here. So we've got lot number 1. And hi Jan, hi Christine, hi Tracy. Lot number 1 is £10 plus £2.50 postage. Charlie. Hi Julie. You can probably hear scratching in the background. So I've got a lot of stamps that I've destashed in, and some other items as well. So I'll just wait for a few of you. We've got Amanda, we've got Yvonne. Right, okay, so I hope you're all having a lovely day. Let's just write these down. Hi Karen, honey. Let's just where are we? Linda, Sue, Anne, Lynn, Tracy. We're just inviting a few of you. Right, okay. We've got Steph Gibson, Amanda Palmer, Yvonne. We've got a few of you here. Right, so that's lot 1. I'm just writing these down. Number 2. Lot number 3. Oh, 1 second. There's someone at my door. Bear with me a minute. It was a naughty Lindy knocking on my door when she should be at home watching my videos. Right, lot 3. Oh, bless her. Lot number 4 and lot number 5. There we go. Right. Okay, so the first lot is £10 plus £2.50 postage, and it is a set of, it's a pile of stamps. So we've got this one here, which now some of these are used, some of these are brand new. This says, "You're everything to me, get well soon, a message of true love, happy birthday, best wishes, get well soon, hugs and kisses, happy birthday, to greet my love, from me to you, hugs and kisses, to a very special friend, best wishes and best wishes." I don't think that's ever been used. There's these gorgeous cupcakes as well, which have not been used. Now if you do want these, just message me and it will be first come first served. Then we've got these gorgeous teddy bears, and little rag dolls. Aren't they super cute? Look at these little teddy bears. Just loving this set. This is a cute set, actually. And then we have these lovely ballet dancers, or fairies. Fairies they are, aren't they? Fairies and little wands and toadstools and stars. So another cute set. And then we have these lovely dragonflies. Just lots of lovely dragonflies and insects. That one is. Oh my gosh, I'm out of puff now. And then there is a very large happy birthday stamp. This is really huge, actually. We'll take up a whole card, as you can see by what I've paid for them in the past. And this one is brand new, never been used. And then there is this, oops, I don't know, I haven't put this back where it all belongs on the stamp set. This is a lovely decorative borders and corners stamp set. So they're all these stamps for £10 plus £2.50 postage. So if you would like them, let me know and I can get them off into the post for you. So that's lot number 1. So let's put that on there like that. Oh my gosh. Lot number 1. Right, we've got lot number 2, which is the same again. It's £10 plus £2.50 postage. And we have more stamps. So we have this cute little border, Paper Mania border. I love cupcakes, and then wiggly wigglies. Then we have this lovely indigo blue, quintessentially English rubber stamps. Don't you just love that word? Quintessentially. And this is a gorgeous, I mean, look, £8 I paid for this. My goodness me. And it's just sat in the drawer. Isn't that gorgeous? Indigo blue. So those 2 stamps alone cost me the £10 that you pay for all of these. And we've got this lovely, gorgeous dress and shoe. Fashion fade, style is eternal. A woman should be 2 things, classy and fabulous, and absolutely fabulous. So that's just a gorgeous fun, as you can see, never used. Then this gorgeous butterfly set. Look at this, £6.50 I paid for this. I know, how much money has one spent in my lifetime? And this is just these lovely, gorgeous butterflies, lots of lovely butterflies. And then we have these lovely 2 sets of stamps. Look, £8.49. Right, behave, move your bum. Just lovely big butterflies on here and some floral bits. And we've got another long one here, which are birdies. Lots of lovely birds, as you can see. Then we have a lovely alphabet and numbers. And then these lovely squiggly wiggly stamps, which has got happy birthday, wishing you all the best on your retirement, birthday wishes, Merry Christmas, behind every good kid is a great dad, happy anniversary, special wishes on your wedding day, best wishes, congratulations, have a very happy Christmas and a wonderful new year. So that is lot number 2, which are gorgeous stamps, and these really are super lovely. Right, I don't know why I'm not getting more. Frightening, isn't it, what we buy over the years? They shouldn't keep bringing new stuff out. Tell me about it. I go through my drawers and I think, OMG, I spent a flipping fortune on these things, and £10 for those is a real bargain. Same again, lot number 3 is £10 plus £2.50 postage. And let's have a look. We've got this gorgeous paper artsy rubber stamps. Gorgeous. These are lovely. Look, £6 we paid for this. Oh my gosh. and it's just got lovely dragonflies and just for you, and this lovely floral border. This one is a little bit of a Halloween one. Batty for you, trick or treat. Eek, you're my favourite. Just a bite, and these cute little faces. And then we have these lovely fleurs. I love that word. And this one's got a lovely butterfly. This is a gorgeous stamp, actually. And then I believe that's a dragonfly in the middle of that one. Just gorgeous stamps these are. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Then we have Elsie Bells art stamps. Cute cupcake builder. Have your cupcake and eat it too. May your day be filled with fun and sprinkles. Every day is a cupcake day, topped with love and sweet wishes. You're the cherry on the top. It's got these cute little hearts and flowers and stars, and you just build your cupcake. Really fun set. Then this gorgeous, this is a gorgeous set. Just gorgeous insects and this butterflies and dragonflies again, and then there's a lovely ladybug on that one, so that's a very gorgeous stamp set. That one is. I love it, love it, love it. Then we have this wedding themed stamp set. Mr. and Mrs. happily ever after, always and forever, wishing you a special happiness on this special day. Some wedding rings. Happy wedding day. Your turtle doves, happy anniversary, happy wedding, congratulations. That's just a wedding one. So that is lot number 3. Right, now these are a bit different. This is lot number 4, and this lot is £10 plus £3 postage, and there are 7 packs of Creative Tones border packs, and you get 50 sheets, and they're all different patterns, and they're in different colours. So you've got blue, and you can see here all the different patterns. You don't really, let me open one and show you. So each pack has got 50 sheets of these lovely, oh there it is, border papers, and there's 7 packs of these, and I think they're 12 inches long by 2 by 12 these are, and they're just absolutely lovely in different colours and patterns and that, so would be very useful. Something I've not used. Let me put this back in the pack. So these are £10 and £3 postage. Oops, put these in here. So you've got blue, like a raspberry champagne. There's 2 of the raspberry champagne packs. There is a amethyst infusion, antique cream, and olive essence. There you go. So there's lots and lots and lots there to be had. So if you're interested in them, they are £10 plus £3 postage, plus £3. That's lot number 4. Put them on there. And then the last one that I have got are these pro markers. There are 4 packs of these, and I have really not used them. I do use all of the Stampin' Up blenders now, so I like the fact that I can colour coordinate. But these are good. They're good markers, you know, they're not rubbish. They are pro markers, and they're in different themes. So we've got summer, winter, spring and autumn, so you've got all of the seasons, and these are £15. That includes the postage. Let me just show you. Oh dear. And they are jewel tipped, so you've got your thick one and you have your thin one. Let me just get my bit of card just to show you. Oops. And so you have got these lovely pro markers, and they, honestly, I've never used them. They have just sat in my drawer. What's a nice colour green. So they are £15, but that includes the postage. So you've got 4 packs. So you have 20 pro markers for that price. So let me just put these back. Burnt orange, coastal pink, cocktail pink, oh wrong one. Cocktail pink, honeycomb, tan, oops, tan and pear green. Right, so that's all I've got for the minute. There will be more things to come, but if you're interested in any of these, just let me know. And they are, look, I did have them in order, so they're £15, and that includes the postage if you're interested. Right, they are the limited edition pro markers. I can't remember when I got them, honey, but anyhow, they are well worth £15. So if you're interested, just let me know. So any of these things, let me know, and I can get them posted out to you. I will be sorting out more things, and I'll try and come back in a bit with a fun video, but that will be later on, probably about let's say 2 o'clock. I'll be back at 2. So thanks for watching. Have a lovely lunch if you haven't had your lunch yet, and I shall see you all very soon. So take care. Bye.